Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is Mujahid Hussain. Hope you are doing well at your homes. Dear students, today we are going to learn about perform printing, and in this lecture you will learn the procedure for printing a file on a paper and how to get print on the both side of a paper. In the last, after completion of this lecture, you will able to know to the procedure of printing a good quality print of a file. So let's move towards our content. So this is our content list in which printer, get print out from PC, handling problems, getting print. So first of all, we are going to know about printing. That what is printing? Printing is a process of getting hard copy of a file, image, email, or anything which is wanted to print on paper. For getting a printer must be installed on the computer before printing. So let's know what is printer. Printer is a device that is used to convert a soft copy result to a hard copy like paper. Get print out from PC. So what is the procedure of getting print out from a PC? So first of all, you have to open any document from web page or email for printing. Click on file menu and then click print, and the print dialog box, change the settings as per requirements, paper size, margin, copies, page numbers, etc. Then click on print. You will get a print in your hand. Handling problems that occur while printing. Before printing any file, check whether the printer is installed, connected with computer and powered on or not. So these are the precautions for getting a print. Also check type of printer, inkjet or a laser printer. Choose the appropriate paper and ink powder. Determine what type of paper size wanted to print on before printing. This paper will need to be loaded into the appropriate slot tray. Determine what is needed, color or black and white prints, and in last, ensure that printing materials is open and visible on the computer. It is impossible to print if the document to be printed is not open. So these are the precautions, these are the problems while you are getting print out. So you must care about these problems. If you go through these all, then you will get a print easily. Getting print, check file in the top left hand corner of the document or file. Move down and click print in the menu. Choose how many copies of the document needed. Click print preview to see what the document will look like once printed. Click properties, preview or advanced. Find the button which will allow accessing the more advanced setting. This menu will allow changing paper sizes, source and type, as well as a variety of other options depending on the program using. And last, if wanted to print on both sides of the paper, then select the option from settings, then pages, and then select manually print on both sides. This is a subject to printer. So these are the steps that how you have to go through getting print Now we are going to perform a print while using MS Word. So MS Word is open. Now we don't have a text on this one, so just simply write down a text or copy a text from anywhere and then paste it here. So you can also write down rand for random and then like 5, 6, then print. Okay, this is too much. Then again write down equal rand and then 5, 5. So this is way to take to get a text on your page. So after writing this one equal rand, then how many paragraphs and how many lines in a paragraph you have to give inside the braces. So I want a 5 paragraph, each paragraph have 5 lines. So click on enter. Then now you can see there are 5 paragraphs on the screen and each paragraph is consists on 5 lines. So this text is available on the page, and now I want to print out this page. Then what we have to do, we have to go through this file, then we have to print a page. So you can simply click on this print. You will also go on the setting or on the print, or if you are available here, then you can also press Ctrl+P. You will find out this settings as well. On the very top you can see the copies, how many copies you want to print out of this page, like 1, 2, 3, 4, any number you want to print out, then you can give that number and print out. And then here you can select the printer. So if any printer is installed in with your PC, then that will be also available here. And if there's no, then you can add the printer and print to the file. So now we have Microsoft Print to PDF is selected, is checked. So do not change anything because I don't have this time I don't have a printer available, but we are going to perform that how can we get print. Then in settings, which page you want to print, like if there is a number of pages, 5 to 10 pages, you want to print all those pages, so print all pages. But if you want to print current page or custom print, then you can print current page, or you can select custom print, where you can select the different pages, different sections and ranges, and then click on that one, and that will be printed. After this one, if you want to after this one, print one-sided or both-sided. If you want to print one-sided, then just click on print one-sided, then all the pages will be printed by one side. If you want to print both sides, then select this manually print on both sides. This is the collected means in which order you want to print out the pages. Like I have to print out 3 pages 3 times. So first page 3 times, second page 3 times, third page 3 times. Or I want to print first page 1 time, second page 1 time, third page 1 time. So this is a set, and again first page second time, second page second time, third page third time, and likely third page 1 time, third time, second page third time, and third page third time. So this is the collated, this is the format. So you can see uncollated and collated. So these are the 2 options. After this one, you have 2 options for page orientation, like portrait and landscape, in which way or in which method you want to print out your page. So here you can see your page, the layout of your page, that how the page will look like after printing. When you print out, then the page will be like this one, or your print page like this one. And after the orientation, you can see the size of the page, like letter, legal, A4, A5 or any other, which type of paper or any type of a paper you have available. So select that paper or that size of the paper and then click on that one. Like I have selected letter, or I am going to select A4. After the page size, you can see the margins. So margins means basically on the left side, right side, top and bottom spaces, margins, and then how many sheets, how many pages per sheet. Like the page in your hand you want to print out on which the different slides, different sheets. So that page is a page, and the sheet, the thing like the document which you want to print on that one, that is a pages, and the page in your hand or which will be printed, that is a sheet. Like 2, so select on 16 or 8, 4, 2, 1, like I want one page per sheet. So this is a settings, or how can you print out a page on a single sheet, and then you have to click on this print button, you will get a print. Is there any question? Then comment, ask. I have provided you my email and my WhatsApp number on the very first page of my presentation. You can see hussain.mujahid@gmail.com and my WhatsApp number. So is there any query, then comment or ask. I am available for you guys. Stay home, stay safe and stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.